Is this thing recording? Hi everyone. That was bad. Hi everyone. My name's Lorenzo. Ugh. Hi everyone. My name's Lorenzo, aka Words and Stuff, and I wanted to make this video to say thank you to everyone who has viewed my videos, have liked, have commented, but especially those of you who have subscribed. Thank you so very much. You guys have no idea what it means to me. I never thought that I could get 100 on anything, so that was really cool. So what I wanted to do for you guys is I wanted to actually show you how I made my videos, how I edit them, how I transcribe music, how I write it and put it on the screen so you guys can enjoy. And maybe one day you guys would like to do something yourself. Anyway.
Oh my, what is... Okay, so first of all, you need OBS Studio, so just type OBS Studio in the Google search and download this software. This is actually the software that I'm using to record this right now. As you can see, I'm recording myself. There's the camera, the USB camera, microphone, audio captures, whatever's going on in your desktop or laptop, whatever, and display capture, again, what you see in front of you. So this is basically what you use to record. So once you open up your game, just press record and then minimize this so this gets out so you don't see this. And then once you get your game file, I'll show you how to edit it. So once you have your game file, you're going to take it and drag it into whatever video editing software that you use. I use Adobe. And to basically to put the text in, let's fast forward to where you want to type the text. Let's say over here, okay? And then I would type T for the text tool, and I would write something like "Don't shoot," and would center it, make it look nice, okay? And here is basically where I would put the text and where it would show up. And I would use this as clues so basically if I start talking right here, I would take this and drag it so that it lines up, and then I would cut it, and let's say I would maybe move it, and of course edit the text here. And also I can put pictures, so if you have any saved pictures, make sure they don't have make sure they have a clear background, because if they don't, it won't look nice. Like if I want to take this angry face and put him here, and there he is, I can resize this and stuff like that. So that's basically how I put text and pictures into my videos. It's fairly simple. You should try it yourself. Now for the tablature, I pretty much do the same thing. So I use Guitar Pro 7, and once I'm done writing the music out, what I would do is I would go to View and make sure I'm on screen horizontal, and I would zoom in just so the numbers can be seen. Right now with OBS, I have to apply a filter here. Here we go. Filters plus crop, and then I would cut off all the space that I don't need. So for example, the bottom I don't need, I think 600, and then the top I don't need like 200, basically something like that. And then all I would do is hit the spacebar and record it. Once that's done recording, I take that file. Now we'll take the music file, we'll drag it in, and here it is. So just take this and drag it down, and it would look something like this. Once that's, but hopefully you guys get the picture. So that's how I make the videos. So let's move on to transcribing music. Now, transcribing music can be difficult sometimes, and I don't have too many tips, but these are the tips that seem to work for me. Now, first of all, when I listen to a song, I always slow it down. So a lot of times I look at it on YouTube, and I go to playback speed, and sometimes I would slow it to a quarter speed, not often, but definitely half or even 3/4. And I would listen to the song over and over and over again until I get the right notes. Now, the first thing that you need to look for is the lowest note that's played in the song. Usually that note will be the top string of whatever instrument that you're playing, whether it be the bass or the guitar. So if the lowest note that you hear in the song is a D, you're probably going to tune this to a D, okay? And have patience, because again, it can be incredibly difficult. It's very time consuming, but it can be rewarding if you love music. So there you go, guys. Again, thank you so very much for subscribing. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I try my very best to make videos that are informative and are entertaining. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.